Welcome to Bev Jamaican Cooking. Today I'm cooking black bean stew. Thanks for all the viewers who view my channel, and thanks also to all the subscribers who had subscribed to my channel. So I already add my seasoning to my pot, and I have cooked my black bean ahead of time. So I am going to add my carrots. And next I will be adding my beans that I have cooked already. So everything is cooked already. So this, I'm going to add okra. And then I'm going to add some coconut cream, some garlic powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some cayenne pepper, some mixed seasoning, and also some black pepper. Now I'm going to add the add it. And I'm going to cover my pot and allow it to cook. Okay. My stew is finished. Hot healthy black bean stew. This is a healthy stew with a lot of vitamin. This is a finished dish of my black bean stew. Very healthy stew. Please like, share, and subscribe.